Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to subscribe to Snapchat Plus on Android and you are wondering how to do so in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. Start by opening up the application first to open up the Snapchat app and log in into your account if you're not logged in. Now, once you are logged in, you should be finding this particular interface where you can go ahead and record up a video or upload a video, etc. So, in order to find the subscription banner, look out for the profile picture icon in the top left corner and go ahead and tap on it. And after you tap on it, here this profile page appears on your screen. You need to basically scroll and find the gold tinted Snapchat banner card. Usually, it is under your profile name itself, right under the strict account, etc. You can find it up, the one with the golden and black, and tap on it. After you tap on it, here you will be given an option. Here it will show you all of the features available where you can start the trial. So you can just go over and tap on next. And once you tap on next here, you will be finding an option to subscribe. So Snapchat, this feature is currently not available in my region, but if it is available in your region for the subscription plan, you can just go over and choose a plan here. Select the plan that you would like to use, for example, monthly or annual. After that, you can just go over and tap on the subscribe option, and you can even start up a 7-day free trial if available. And you will be directed to the purchase screen, and the subscription will be linked to your Google account. You can follow the instructions to confirm the purchase by adding up your payment method and subscribe to finalize the purchase. And that's it. Once it is completed, you can restart the Snapchat application itself to see the new Snapchat features become available for you. And that is it. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this method. For that, do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.